Put some south in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke. Okay, let's get started. I have recently acquired this Traeger Pellet Grill, and let me tell you, it's one of the best barbecue investments I have ever made. So before we get started, let's assess this messy situation. First, let's remove the grates from the grill. Now let's remove the drip tray from the grill. Now those funky looking strands right there, that's just cheese from last night's hot dogs. Trust me, it's not some weird science experiment. Remove the heat baffle. Before we vacuum the ash from the pellets, use a small spatula to scrape off any ash that may be stuck to the grill. Reinsert the heat baffle. Cover the drip tray with aluminum foil. This way, it's easy to clean up for the next time around. Use some degreaser to clean off the grates and then hose off with some water. Reinsert the drip tray and then reinsert the grates. And you're all done. Put some south in your mouth. This is Southbound Smoke.